Like what you always see is something like this. And then before it heads up. So these particular places you are seeing here, these reductions you are seeing here are the negatives you see, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. So, and one more thing I would like to say is this. Forex always has a particular pattern. When it comes to charts, you see, they have a particular pattern. So if something is in a strong uptrend, you really want to be looking out for a double top formation. That's basically, you're seeing something like this. And then the market goes down because at this particular level, the buyers can no longer push it up, right? Yeah. So I figured that if really we are seeing this in our 1 hour chart and then it's making sense, why don't we try to get that out of our 5 minutes chart? And I'm going to show you, exactly what I did, and then which would explain the bigger picture. Now, watch this particular place. This is my 1 hour, right? I'm going to circle here, and then I'm going to quickly show you how I took all the profits in this. I took the profits of this particular setup from this level to this level. I did not miss out on any spot, any single spot. And I'm going to break this down in the 5 minutes quickly. Now watch. Okay, now this is your 5 minutes, right? Let me clear my screen again. And for what I'm going to show you now, I will need you to go to any chart of your choice. Now, I'll quickly want to add this. Anytime you come to the chart and it doesn't form the setup you need, don't even bother trading. Like this, Forex is something that is there like 5 times a week, all right? That is there like 5 times a week, yeah? And you really don't want to be jumping into a trade you know nothing about, right? So always try to be disciplined. Like I always tell people this, if your account is hitting your stop loss, then it is just because you do not know what you're doing. Now, anytime you see wicks, like formations like this, all these wicks you see here, they are either based on news or they are just there to scare you. Like sometimes I really like my account getting a negative because of the good things to come. Now, this is a 5 minutes chart. Let me quickly show you what I mean. Now, I talked about the double top formation. Anytime the market does something like this, it is always going to go down. And the distance of it going down is equal to the distance it took to form this. So your first take profit one is going to be this distance in corresponding to this distance down. So if I measure this to this, that is going to be my take profit for this level. Go down and I move up. Now all this single thing I'm showing here, it takes a bit of practice, but really I've tried to just simplify it and make sense out of it. Okay, this is going to slow me a bit, so let me just go straight to the point. Now watch. This market went to a strong uptrend. You can see that. You can see the lower highs. And what happened? We saw the double top formation here. Can you see that? 1, 2. That's the shoulder. This is the neck. I took money off. In fact, the screenshot I sent to the group, if you notice very, very well, I did a sell at 152.193. I did my first take profit at 151.970, and then I took my take profit 2 at 151.73. Immediately I cited this at the 5 minute chart. I already knew that this market was reversing because of this uptrend I saw, and it has formed a double top. So the first thing I did was this. I took a line. Remember that this is 5 minutes. Just to blow your mind a little bit and show you what you are seeing, because you might think this is a very small talk. Let's take this to the 1 hour that everybody likes looking at. You can see this is the small place I'm dealing with. That is it in this 5 minutes. Can you see that? Now, immediately I saw this setup here. The first thing I did was I took my pip measurement. I measured the distance between this top to this neck formation, right? That's 26.0 pips. Okay. 26.0 pips. Let me quickly delete this. How do I take that out? Okay, sorry. That's 26.0 pips. Okay. I don't know why that's going down. And then I took my pip measurement as well, and I dragged this down. This is 23. Okay, let me even take this to 26. Now, did you notice what the market did? It respected this level. In fact, if I wanted to go all safe, what I would have easily done is measure from the lower part of the shoulder to the neck. It gave me 18.5 pips. Now watch and see what exactly happened at 18.5 pips. Around this region, what happened? I'll take out this and then you see what happened. The market, what did it do? I don't know if anybody is actually listening.
I'm listening now.
Okay, can you see what the market did at that level? It shot up.
Yeah.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
At exactly that point. Now, I'm going to show you another point now. Remember that all these things happened within plus or minus like under 30 minutes or about an hour. If I've been trading all day, I said in the morning actually. It went down, right? Now, I'm on 5 minutes chart, right? Now watch this particular area now. I can see another double top. What happened? I'll take my pip measurement and I'll measure this point to this point. How many pips is that? That's 12 pips. Delete, measure again, the lower part. How many pips is that? 16. Let's watch what happened at 12 pips. Delete. Can you see what happened here? There were assertions there. So that is why your guaranteed take profit for any trade when you see a double top is what? Your measurement from the top to the bottom. That has always been my take profits one, and it has forever been hit. Let's go to another point. You keep on seeing these formations and you get tired. Even if you want to scalp and you want to be you want to scalp your way out in profit, you should always have patience. I saw this formation here, this particular setup here, right? You can see this setup here. Immediately I saw that, I just quickly came back and then shoulder, neck. This was in an uptrend, right? I put my line and measure from here to here. It is directly proportional to this. Before, what happened? The market shot up. And remember that this is a 5 minutes chart. It would, like 5 minutes chart, it doesn't really take time. And one thing you need to notice is if you are very far under too much, just like myself, I keep on saying it. I'm not from a very rich family. But one thing I noticed over time is when I came to IML, I figured that this is somewhere that somebody can be a millionaire in no time. Like I've never ever in my entire life seen an opportunity like this all my entire life. And when I came across opportunity, I don't know, that person can you place for, for then. Can you guys hear me? Hello?
You're breaking. Hello,
yeah, I'm breaking. Sorry, somebody's trying to call. Yeah, somebody's trying to call me. That's why. Just hold on. Anyways, you guys can hear me now, yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we are good. So, always remember that. Now, another trick I want to teach you is this. Anytime, let me quickly delete this. Sorry. Now, anytime the market does this, remember that, like I always say, this is a 5 minutes chart. Like 5 minutes charts take the shortest time to actually happen. Can you see this? This is a top and there was exhaustion at this point, right? Now, usually when I sight this, the first thing I do is I go to my alarm and I'm going to set an alarm at this very point when the market is going down. I'm going to just wait to see whether the market is going to come back to retest this area. Now, immediately I sight an exhaustion here, which I can currently see. Let me zoom in. Can you see the exhaustion candles here? Can you see that? Are you guys following?
Yeah.
Can you see this? Immediately I can sight this, which is totally corresponding to this level. Now, I want to now ask the quick question. Where do you think my stop loss will be at this point? Because that is when people always get it wrong. My stop loss will be the longest wick I can see at this point. You can see the longest wick here. I'm just going to put my stop loss maybe micro pips ahead of it. And 152.147 will be my stop loss. And what really happened here, the market never came back to retest that area. Immediately the market reached there, because this place is a supply and demand zone, it went down straight up. So when I just set my alarm here, and I noticed that the market was struggling at that point, I put in a quick sell. Usually when I do a quick sell, I always increase my lot size. And it gave me 24.6, right?
Yeah.
Do you get that? Now, these things happen over and over again. To this very time, which is 7:22 p.m. I saw this setup as much as like, should I say like four to six times. And every time I saw it, that gave me a guarantee of between 15 to 20 pips. So if I calculate 20 pips times 4, how many pips is that? That's 80 pips. It's not even easy to get 80 pips in a day. So even if I decide to do a 0.1 lot size on 80 pips, I'm getting $80 in one day. People always get this wrong. Like, I don't know how many paid jobs you can do. At least I know there are people who are currently working in the house that can give you free $80 every day. Vanessa, if you get a job that gives you $80 every day, are you not going to be smiling? Of course, that's definitely it. But people don't get things that happen here. Watch this point closely. Watch this point closely. And watch what happened within this point. When the market came back, did it ever, for any reason, cross here? It never does that. The market moves in patterns, and that's one thing you need to understand. Now watch. The market went down in a downtrend, and what happened? It formed the double top formation. It went down, and what happened afterwards?
Came up.
See for yourself. This direction it went up is directly, like, if you check, okay, let's not even talk about that. Let's measure it. 15.9 pips. Take it out and calculate again. Sorry. Let's all this. Okay, this is the level. Let's calculate it. Why is this thing obstructing me? Why are you okay? Can you see it? It went up 18.4 pips. It always corresponds to the double top you saw. Do you understand? And it's so funny how, if you watch my chart, every time I saw that double top, I always created a mark. Like, because I already know that's the money spot. And let me even show you one more thing. If I have to zoom in at this point now and check it on the bigger chart, that's 15 minutes. Watch where I zoomed in. Can you see it in the 15 minutes chart? Yes, it happened. But when you are going to your 1 hour, what do you notice? It's actually very, very small. Your 1 hour now is now condensing everything you saw in the 15 minutes, and you're only seeing it as this. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Exactly. Now, let's now go to a different pair entirely. What pair do you guys like? USDJPY. I'll see that side. So 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I can see something like that within this region, but this is not a really where is my pen?
Wow.
Okay. Like, you have to, when you're looking at this, you are going to see all the opportunities you missed. Like, this market was going down like this. What happened? It came back, right?
Yeah.
It retested this area. What happened? It came down back. This already signals you that this market can no longer go up. So from here, if you do a sell from this level down, if you drag a pip and calculate this, how many is that? 11.11 pips. Let's take that out and calculate downwards again. Can you see that? 12.4 pips. So really, when it comes to, I'm not me, myself, yeah, I'm not perfect myself, but I've been so disciplined to only look out for setups. Like, if you are not the type like me, For example, I have different ways I actually trade. I trade via trend lines. I trade via zones. These are the different zones that must be tested. But I'm trying to give you guys the easiest setup that even as a beginner, you really don't need to stress yourself to go through the whole Forex education. All I'm just here, the market came to this top, tested it, came back, and then you could sight the instruction candles here, and then you can see a neckline. What happened? You rule your line, and what happened? It went down straight up. So even if you put a sell limit at this point, this level you are seeing, I think I got this trade correctly. This is 11.4 pips. Let's take it down. That's 12.3 pips. And what happened at that level? Immediately after that level, the markets went back to the initial direction. You get it? So yeah, and basically, the only thing I want to really tell you guys is this. Like, I shared something with the group, and I said, if you start up your Forex trading account with $100, and then let's say you make $5 every day. Let's say you make $5 today. That's $105. You trade 5% of that. Okay, you make 5% of that account on a daily basis. In a year, you have millions of dollars in your name already. So you must really understand something. Like, this is the most, this is the most unfair market in the whole world. Like, I feel like this is the only place where you have to be disciplined and you will make crazy money for the rest of your life. I have a lot of mentors I look up to, the likes of Brian. In fact, everybody here is a mentor. And I have certain people that I currently watch on Instagram almost every day. They drive the best cars. They don't drive the best cars. Okay, in fact, we are in a very good place now. Let me quickly make sense out of this now. Watch this. Can you sight this instruction candle here? Can you see that?
Yeah.
Can you guys see it?
Yeah.
Now, this is a shoulder right here. Now, the market is going to do this now. Watch. This is what the market is trying to do. From this level, like, immediately it perfectly forms the neckline around this level. Once it gets back to this top, that is a huge sell that is coming. And it is not hard for you to actually detect. This is the easiest thing that I don't even know how else I will explain that. Even somebody who does not know, who is just interested in market trend will keep on taking money out of, like, over and over and over and over again. That's basically how it works. And remember that this is 5 minutes chart. You always see it. And if I have to take this and circle this out, let's look at it in the 1 hour chart. This stuff has to load. You can see this is the area we're just dealing with, a very tiny area. And this area can give you crazy ass money. Yeah. So basically, that's what I've been studying. Basically, this is how I trade. Yeah. I don't know how many of you guys are on this call, 26 people. And Emmanuel, I can see you're recording this call correctly. That's a very good one. And this is really to encourage everybody here. Like, you found your best platform to ever be on. And yeah, if you just keep sticking to simple rules. I don't know if you guys noticed from my screenshot. If you notice from the screenshot of my gain I made today, every single point hits my take profit, like every single point. Then the last thing I would like to round off with is understanding your candles. Now, people do not know the point to enter in the market. But let me quickly just break that down. Sorry, my network is fluctuating, so I just have to restart. Hello, you guys. Yeah. So, are you guys still with me? You guys still with me, though? Can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can.
Sorry, I don't know if I made sense from the beginning of my talk to this very moment. Type 111 in the chat again.
You've made sense.
Okay, I can see a lot of 111. At least I wasn't wasting saliva today. Okay. Okay, let me now quickly explain. Let me clear my, oh God, I can't just use the JPY. My trade setup is too good for me to clear. Okay, let's go to USD CAD. I don't really trade this so much. Okay, let me go to the 5 minutes, right? And I want to show you guys something. Okay. Okay, watch this area like closely. Watch. I want to show you a lot of things that people missed out on now. Watch here and watch here. What happened? The market did this. And after that, what happened? The drop followed. Now watch here. The market did exactly that. And what happened? The fall was directly same as this thing you can see here. Can you see that? I'm going to show you the different things that people miss out on, and they necessarily come out to, say that, Forex. Now, you can see this particular setup you can see here. Why didn't he follow this pattern you can see here? Very easy. There was no neckline. If this market went like this and did that and came back, this market would have gone down like this straight up without actually wasting no time. But it never formed that neckline. I don't know. Can you guys see that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now see. It tried to come back up and then it went down. Now, in most cases, I want to just keep on picking out. Now, even if anytime I see this kind of setup, like I go all in, let me just put it, Dabi, I'm currently looking at your video and it's making me laugh. Anyways, now, yeah, anytime I see that kind of setup, I'm always, remember that this is 5 minutes, right? Watch. Look at this particular angle. And I'll keep on showing you guys the things you are missing. Can you see what happened immediately after that area? What happened? Watch. It went down straight up. Like the market always follows a particular trend. I can cite another angle here. This particular place is not necessarily perfect, but at least the main thing I can see here is a neckline. And that is a signal. And I can see the exhaustion candles here showing me that, okay, there's something happening within that region. I'm going to just draw my neckline and you can see that huge drop. Like it always, and what happens when you come to your chart and you are not seeing any, like let me just tell you the truth. If you want to do a risk-free trade, you don't want to be getting scared at any point in time. And all your life, you want to say, oh, Forex, I want to be trading only market trends, only market patterns. You would never, ever, ever in this entire life lose any money. And even if you want to lose any money, usually when you come into a market pattern that does this, your stop loss will be above this zone. So even if you are losing money and it comes back to do this, at the end, you might just be losing $10. But if it happens to do that drop, you'll be seeing at least $80. And already, you know that the market always respects that. So if you do that 10 times, that's $800. And if you lose twice, that's $20. 800 minus 20, that's $780. Nobody will pay you that amount of money one day. I really like, and that is why I take my time to really share this opportunity with people, because I feel like if after now, like after this call, and then anything in your life does not change the way my whole life has changed, then I feel like there's a problem. Do you understand? Like there must be a problem, and it's not from me or Christopher Terry. The problem is from you. Do you understand? And the problem is also the fact that you refuse to be patient. So on this call, I want everybody to currently watch USD-CAD. You can currently see that neckline, right? You can see the uptrend, and then you're going to see that this market is going to do like this. And after that, what happens? Neckline, the drop happens, right? And even without even playing around, I can tell you categorically that if it does that move, you are getting 23.9 pips free. Like, I don't know. This call, I've tried to give you free 23.9 pips. So if you really want to go back and watch your charts, then it's fine by you. Do you get it? So, yeah. So I hope I've tried to make sense. This is what I've been doing all day on GBP JPY. The whole move that I made today, I took every profit on all the levels. I didn't miss a single step. I kept on taking and taking and taking and taking till I got really tired of taking. So let's watch and try to see. Now, if I'm coming into the market, now watch quickly. If I come into the market and it goes like, see, if it goes for a downtrend, this is what happens for a downtrend. It comes up, we test it, and goes down. Goes up, we test it, and comes down. That's basically how it works. All right. So no wahala. Thanks a lot for the time, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Enjoy your chats, and let's keep kicking it. Yeah. Thanks a lot, everybody. Have a very wonderful day, and I hope I've made high impacts in your life today. Bye-bye.
Sam, go now.
Where should I go to?
Why are you staying still?